Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a photo with studio light effect on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, in order to be able to use this feature, you do need an iPhone 13 or newer on the latest iOS version. If you have anything older than that, this feature will not be available. Now, if you do have iPhone 13 or newer, you're going to go ahead and open up the camera app on your iPhone. From there on, as you can see here, by default, it's set to just regular photo. Now, if you want to use the studio light effect, you need to go over to portrait. From portrait, you're going to swipe your finger up and then turn it a little bit like a dial counterclockwise. Again, by default, you can see here it's natural light, so we just use our finger to move it over, and now it's going to say this is studio light effect. Now take your camera, focus on the object like you would, make sure it's a little bit further away, and then you click on that like you would for a normal photo. And now we have taken a photo with the studio light effect on it, which is going to be different from a photo that you take without it on the natural one. Again, same exact thing, just going to open up the camera, make sure it's on portrait, and then slide your finger like you would. And there's different filter effects as well, but that's the studio light effect on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.